Hey guys, Angel here with the Bullish Bears team. I am making the watch list for tomorrow, Friday, January 4th. Feels like it's been a long time since I've made one of these videos because it was so crazy with the holidays that all I had time to do was make the watch list and not the video. So we're making a video today. So I have the futures pulled up and you can see that it tested this resistance level of the 9 EMA and it couldn't quite break it except for this day here, and then it is failing. So we will see what happens with that and if it's going to head back down into these levels down here of the 2300s. So we have our nightly scan pulled up. You can see there aren't very many plays on that. So this is probably going to be a small watch list, and that I would not put on the watch list. And we'll look for some. I wouldn't put that on either because it's closing right at this resistance. Oops. That I would not put on just because it's so far away from the moving averages. You cannot borrow it to short. So, and it's just a indecision candle, so it could come back down. So this one with this split, I wouldn't put this one on right now. It's super overextended. It's had 3 green days. Tomorrow is Friday. There's the potential for a pullback, so I wouldn't put that one on. That closed at resistance, couldn't break it, so I wouldn't put that one on. You can see that this was sort of a bull pennant flag-ish, and then it went up. It did close above this 50, but I don't like the candle, but let's take a look at the hourly and see what the hourly did. So it closed above the moving averages, never went below them. Each time it tested, it went up. It's sort of a bull pennant. You can see it sort of flagged and then went up. I mean, if it can break that 584, then it's got resistance around 620. So I will potentially, I'll put it on. Okay, so it is bull flag-ish. Oops. Bull flag-ish on hourly. If price can break 584, watch for resistance around 620. Okay, so I'll keep going. Oh, and this isn't easy to borrow, so we could potentially short this one if it comes up. All right. So this one, these sorts of stocks have been burning me for the watch list the past couple of weeks, where it looks like it's moving up, so you put it on and then it ends up coming back down the next day. So let's take a look at the hourly. See, it's got resistance around this 230. Oh, I have that on my trend line tool. Okay. I mean, this one is easy to borrow, so part of me, and because it's Friday, wants to just make it a bearish play. What would be 269 and 253. See, it couldn't, I think I'm going to put it on as a bearish play. It could never break $3, I think. Let me, I'm going to come back to that one. So this is interesting. It sort of just hit this resistance level and it went above it, but it couldn't close, and you can see that it just tanked when it hit it. And 294 is the next resistance. It's not a lot of room, so I wouldn't put that on. So this one could potentially be interesting. The moving averages are pinching. It's been oversold for a long time. It looks like it's starting to reverse. It's got resistance at this 207. Let's take a look at the hourly. And it did close above the 200. Oh, see, it filled a gap. And now it might be heading back up. Interesting. Okay, I think I'm going to put that one on. Let me look at the hourly one more time. You can see it was in a falling wedge, and then it started to break out. And you see bull flag, bull flag, bull flag. Looks like the potential of another bull flag, but that might also mean 3 bull flags that might pull back. And it's Friday, but be aware of that. So, bull flagging on hourly. Watch for possible resistance at the 50 SMA on the daily. That's AMR. Let's see, nope, I'm going to put that one on. I mean, 95 cents is resistance. I don't think I would put that on, but we can take a look at the hourly and see. It is overextended. Oh, look how beautiful. Wonder why this wasn't on the scans. When I did the last time I did it. Okay, so that's a bull flag. Perfect bull flag. And then it went up. It is a little overextended, but it's a bull flag breakout, so it might continue. So I actually think I'll put it on. If it can break the dollar, the 95 cents and the dollar, then it's got room to $1.50. So I'll put it on. All right, so bull flagging on hourly. If price can break 95 cents and $1, watch for resistance around the 200 SMA on daily. NGD. Alright, let's take a look at this one. Would not put that one on, it's too close to resistance. Not put that one on either. So what was that one we were looking at earlier? Yeah, not that one. Was it this one? Nope. I totally forgot. Oh, this one, I think. Yes, it was this one. Okay. And see, that was a bear flag, and then it just sort of went sideways before moving up. It's not quite overextended yet. Let's see. See, like a cup. It's potentially forming a double top on the 5 minutes, so I'm just not going to put that on. I don't feel comfortable putting it on, so I'm not going to force it. So we'll take a look and see if there are any bearish scans. Oh, there's a lot more. You can see a lot more on the bearish side. Oh, but I need to fix this where it actually has volume. Okay, so let's take a look at that. I don't like the indecision that it's at right now, and it's really close to support, so I wouldn't put that one on. The moving averages are pinching, but it's closing right at that support. It's like hanging out there, so I wouldn't put that one on either. So this one rejected off of the 9, tried to break it for about 3 or 4 days and rejected, and it's got support around $9. Let's take a look, and that's an easy to borrow, so you can short that. Okay, so it did have this 9 and 20, or the 20 over the 9 cross closed, but I don't like the indecision candle that it closed with, so I would not put that one on, or that one. So that is a tweezer topish pattern. It's got support around between like 985 and 970. Let's look at the hourly. So I wouldn't put that on because it's right at this 50. Wouldn't put that one on because it's probably going to be trapped and trade sideways. I'm going to put that one on. That's just messy. Nope, not putting that one on. So rejected off the 9 today. Could fall down to about $15. Oh, let me look at the hourly. You can see it had this tweezer top yesterday, and then it just failed today. Let's see. I guess I'll put it on for a short. Blue. Okay, so price failed the 9 EMA. Watch for support around $15. PSTG. Okay. Even the bearish scan doesn't have much on it. And I'm only going to get ones that, or look at ones that are easy to borrow. That way you have the ability to make the trade if you want. I don't like that spinning topish candle. It's too indecisive for me. Don't like that. Don't like that. See, this has earnings. When are their earnings? Oh, not till the end of the month. I don't like this inverted hammer. No. Okay, so that is going to be it. We don't do a swing trade watch list going into Friday because holding over the weekend, especially with the market the way it is right now, is not smart. So this is going to be our watch list for tomorrow. There is a bearish play with those bullish plays. We'll see if something happens tomorrow. The market has been so up and down and like a little seesaw and not really fun to trade right now or fun to make a watch list for because it's super indecisive, and as you can tell, there wasn't much on the bullish or the bearish scan. So this is the watch list. Stay safe trading, and we will see y'all later.